Now we shall study K method. See, look at this example. If A upon B is equal to B upon C and A, B, C are greater than 0, then we need to show that A plus B plus C into B minus C is equal to AB minus C square. We will show that. Look on the board. Let A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to K. That is our first statement. Now, using this statement, we will write B is equal to C into K. So, B is equal to CK. And A is equal to what? Tell me. Similar way. A is equal to what? CK. A is equal to BK. A is equal to BK. But, what is B equal to? What is B equal to? CK. B is equal to CK. So, what we shall do is, instead of B, we shall write CK into K. And that is equal to CK square. So A is equal to CK square we got. In the next problem, we will not write these intermediate steps. These two steps we will not write. Directly we will write A is equal to CK square. Okay? Look at the board. Now we shall write LHS is equal to. LHS is equal to A plus B plus C into B minus C. Wherever you see A, wherever you see B, write the values of A and B in this. Look on the board. Simple, only substitution. Question I copied and I am going to substitute for A. A is BK. A is equal to CK square. Sorry, A is CK square plus B is CK plus C. First bracket, I wrote everything. B is a CK into minus C. Not into, minus C. Okay, fine, done. Now, among these three terms, first, second, third, which is the common term? What is common? Which is the same thing you see in this? 1, 2, 3. What is same? C is same. So we shall write C. We will write C outside the bracket. Inside the bracket, K square plus K plus 1. Second bracket, what is common? C is common and K minus 1 we will write. That is equal to C into C, C square. In the bracket, K square plus K plus 1, K minus 1. Oh, very nice. So this is equation 1. Now we shall try to get what is RHS is equal to. Look at the board. RHS. RHS is equal to AB minus C square. AB minus C square. What is it? A is how much? A is how much? CK square. So A is CK square into B is how much? CK minus C square. Now we will multiply this. C into C, C square. K square into K is K cube minus C square. What is common among these two terms? What is common? C? What is common? C square is common. So I will write C square in the brackets K cube minus 1. And now the biggest blockage has come. Now the biggest problem has come because we people, 9th standard students, they don't know the identities that we studied in standard 8. And because of that, your problem will not go ahead. But if you know the identity, I will tell you what is that. This is C square as it is. K cube minus 1 cube it is. K cube minus 1 cube it is. K cube minus 1 cube. In standard 8 we studied that. K cube minus 1 cube is K minus 1 into K square plus K into 1 K plus 1. So this is what the identity is all about. And now you can see LHS and RHS both are equal. LHS and RHS both are equal. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. And therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. From 1 and 2, I will write here. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, A plus B plus C into B minus C is equal to AB minus C square. So this is what we have proved. Okay, please copy this.